guys, it's Trish Lanahan here from the Arena Club with your fitness tip of the day. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of the bridge exercise, and I'm also going to demonstrate a couple bridge exercises for you. Just to let you know, the bridge is an exercise that anyone and any fitness level can do. It's great for beginners, it's great for advanced exercisers, and it's a great way to engage and strengthen those glutes, the hamstrings. It strengthens the core, it strengthens your lower back. It's a way for people that can't do squats to build their hamstring glutes and get benefits and strength in that core and in that lower back without injuring it. So with anything else said, I'm going to go down on the floor and we're going to show you how to do a basic bridge, and then we're going to go into a marching bridge, a little bit more advanced. So we're going to lay back, feet are flat on the floor, arms are by our side, relax our head. We're going to bridge up so your body is in a straight line here. We're going to hold anywhere from 5 to 10. You can hold 15, 20 seconds if you want. Come back down, bridge back up. Again, you're in that straight line, tucking that pelvis under, and you're going back down. One more time, up, and then we're back down. Good. The second bridge I'm going to show you is a marching bridge. So we're going to get into that same position, up. We're going to bring our legs up, march them up, and march. And then we're going to come back down, okay? So again, it's for any fitness level. The bridge is a great exercise for any fitness level. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day.